Oh na na na, oh na na na, oh na na na, oh na na na.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be a tutorial on how I was able to achieve this very beautiful natural hairstyle. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So you guys have been requesting that I try more hairstyles with my natural hair without adding any extensions. So this is one of the hairstyles that actually came to mind. I really love this hairstyle because it's so easy to do. You can always, put your natural hair in a bun like this, in a puff, but you can also just, do this wash and go kind of finger coiling thing right here to give it this this wash and go look, or you can just leave it in a puff, but I just decided to do it this way, and I really love the way it turned out, and it's so easy and so quick to do, like seriously. And I really love the fact that I didn't have to use any extension. It's just my natural hair, and of course I'm gonna get more natural hair tutorials out for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy and learn something from this video, because I absolutely love the way this hair turned out, and it's so easy to like. It's so easy to do, guys. Anybody can do it, and I hope you guys learn. Please, if you do, please support me by liking this video and subscribe and share this video with your friends as well. And that's what it's gonna be. Now let's just get into the tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna start by applying my castor oil. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my virgin hair fertilizer. Now I'll be going in with my dark hair cream. I'm gonna apply it on my hair. Just want to make sure that my hair is well moisturized. Then right here, I'm gonna detangle my hair. Now I'm gonna go ahead and spray a little bit of water. And then I'll be using this wet line gel. This is the first time I'm actually going to try this gel. So I'm going to apply it on my hair. Very light. I'm not taking too much gel. Just going to apply little portions. As I apply the gel, I brush it as well, and then I reapply the gel. After applying the gel, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of my jam. So right here, I took an extension and wrapped it around my hair. I'm gonna start putting it in a bun. I'm doing it, gradually, very slowly. So when I get to the extent I want, I'm just gonna tie the extension into a knot. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just reapply a little bit of gel. Afterwards, I'm gonna go ahead and tie my scarf and allow it to sit for like an hour or two. So after tying my scarf, I'm gonna comb out the puff and then spray a little bit of water on it, and then I'll use the wetline gel. I'll apply a little bit of the wetline gel on my finger, and then I'll coil my hair like so. So it's like I'm doing like a wash and go combing method. At the same time, I'm doing like a finger coil as well. So now I'm done with that. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my makeup off camera. So now I'm back. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the scarf. So as you guys can see, it's not really dry. So first off, I decided to lift up the bun a little bit, and then I decided to use the blow dryer to dry it, more. And yes guys, this is the final look. I absolutely love this hairstyle, and I hope you guys love it as well. Please don't forget to like this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys soon. Love you guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be yet another Shea try on haul. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with your friends. Now let's just get into the haul. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the stuff I got this time from Shea. They're pretty exciting things. Like you guys know, sometimes I like going out of my comfort zone, and I just like getting new things, and I love trying new things, and I love doing that with Shea hauls. And also don't forget, I have a coupon code. I'm going to put it on the screen and in the description box below to save you guys 15% off if you decide to get anything from Shea. So I decided to get these trainers, like a sneaker thing. I've not actually gotten something like this before, so I decided to try this one. You guys can see this is the way it looks. It's a white trainers, and the white on the top is it's almost like a cream color, not completely a cream color, but it's almost like a cream color. So I love the sole of this trainer so much, and I think this is just going to be dope and chic, and it's going to be very comfortable, and you can actually wear it for anything and feel comfortable and feel fly at the same time. I absolutely love these trainers, and I got it in the size I got in the size 41. I noticed that they also have size 41, not on all their shoes, some of them, so I decided to get this in the size 41, which I think I can get away with 40, but I love to be comfortable with my shoes or my clothes, so I decided to get it in a 41 since it has a rope and it fits perfectly well. Like, I love it, and it's so comfortable. So I decided to get two trainers. I got another one. This one is more like a sneakers. It's like very portable, and it's actually pure white. I absolutely love this. I can wear this with different types of outfits, and it's going to look so beautiful. I kind of love shoes that look small on my legs. I tried to get the other bigger one, and I also really love getting shoes that sneakers especially, that looks very small on my leg as well. And this one looks so good, and I got it in the size 41 as well, and it fits perfectly well. So just to show you guys a closer look of it, you can see. So I'm like, since we're getting into the cold weather fall, I decided to get a lot of jumpers. So this is the one of the jumpers I got. I absolutely love this color. It's just a cool, calm, beautiful color with a pop of yellow stars and orange color stars, and it's very thick. The material is great, very thick. I think when it's really cold, you can definitely wear this. I absolutely love it. I love the way it fits, and I also got it in a size medium. So the next jumper I got is something I really love, and it's this